You're interested in getting the sugar busting tea bundle and you've got some questions. So let's go ahead and answer those for you right now. The Sugar Busting Tea Bundle is a set of 2 amazing teas with the goal of helping you to kick a sugar habit. It's that simple. The Sugar Busting Tea Bundle has 2 amazing teas, Sleek and Slender and Sugar Proof. Sleek and Slender is perfect for drinking in the morning to help kickstart your digestion, get rid of those sugar cravings, and boost your metabolism. The Sugar Proof you can drink any time of the day or night. It's your pattern interrupter. It fills in the sugar receptors on your tongue, temporarily blocking your perception of the sweet flavor for about 20 minutes. And this is what you drink before you have your sugar craving. So you don't eat the sugar, you drink the tea instead. The Sugar Busting Tea Bundle is perfect for anybody who has been dealing with a lifelong sugar habit and you just want to get off that train. You want to be done with the madness. High sugar consumption will eventually kill you. It destroys your brain, your heart, your kidneys, your nervous system. It'll give you dementia. It feeds cancer cells. It just does all the things that you don't want to have happen in your health. And the only way around it is to quit. The Sugar Busting Bundle is perfect if you're trying to lose a stubborn extra pounds. It just won't go away. The problem could be eating too much sugar. But it also helps with boosting your metabolism and supporting your digestion so that your body's going to assimilate more of the nutrients that you're eating, which is really important. That's going to give you more energy. That's going to relieve bloating. So if you're worried about your waistline, this is a wonderful combo. However, I just want to throw in some cautions. If you're on medication, especially blood sugar lowering medication, if you're pregnant, you're nursing, you're under a doctor's care for any reason whatsoever, don't get this tea until you talk to them first. If you're on blood sugar lowering medication, you definitely want to talk to your doctor about it because it can make your medication act too strong, and that is not good. You use 1 teaspoon of the tea for every 8 ounces of hot water, and the steeping time is right here on the bag. It's got the brewing instructions. It's going to tell you how many minutes we recommend steeping it. For Sleek and Slender, we recommend brewing this for like 5 to 10 minutes. And for Sugar Proof, we recommend giving it a longer steep because the longer it steeps, the better it tastes. If you just want your tea right away and you can't wait for 20 minutes, just drink it after 5 minutes. It might not be as flavorful, but it's still going to be effective. Sleek and Slender has a really refreshing flavor with notes of mint and cinnamon. It's really super enjoyable. The flavor of Sugar Proof tea is kind of like an unsweetened cranberry juice with some spice in it. You can drink them both hot or iced. I think they're delicious both ways. No matter what you do with these teas, just don't add any sweetener. We recommend drinking a cup of Sleek and Slender before breakfast and another one before lunch to kickstart your metabolism and really get your day off to a great start. You can drink the Sugar Proof tea any time of the day or night because it has no caffeine. Drink Sugar Proof before those cravings hit. So if you know that you crave something in the middle of the day, have this ready. Bring it to work with you. If you happen to have cravings in the middle of the night, go to the tea cupboard instead of the cookie jar.